Hello students, today I am going to tell you about what is table move handle and table resize handle. Okay, table move handle and table resize handle. Okay, just increase the size of the text. Okay, so for this first we have to create any table of any number of rows and columns. To create a table you have to click on insert tab. Just click on insert tab and just below the insert tab you can see a table option. Just here, just click on it. So I am going to create a table with the help of insert table method. Just click on it, and here you have to specify the number of rows and columns. By default the number of columns is 5 and number of rows is 2. I am changing the number of rows, and the number of column is 5 and the number of rows is 3. Just click on OK and your table is here. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you, just look at this position and at this point. So whenever you click and whenever you choose your table, whenever you select your table and whenever you move the cursor of your mouse above the table, this small square box and a small plus sign will appear at the top of the table, at the top left corner of the table. So this plus sign is known as table move handle. Why we called it a table move handle? Because this plus sign helps you to move the table. It helps you to move the table at any desired location. Just see, just click on this plus sign, left click from your mouse and move your table anywhere. Okay, when you just double click, left click on it, it will also helps you to select the entire table. It will help you to select the entire table. And when you can also drag it anywhere. You can also move your table at any desired location with the help of your table move handle. And when you right click on this plus sign, it will also shows you more option like cut. With the help of cut option you can cut your table, you can delete your table, you can insert extra columns and rows in your existing table with the help of insert option. Copy and paste is used to copy the table and paste the table. There are many options. Autofit is used to autofit actually autofit is used to resizing a table. Okay, let discuss some another time. Okay, the next thing I'm going to tell you about what is table resize handle. Table resize handle. Just look at this position and at the bottom right corner, just see the square shape. This square shape, small square box is known as, at the right bottom right corner is this square box is known as table resize handle. Why we called it a table resize handle? Because it helps us to change the size of the table. We can increase or decrease the size of the table with the help of table resize handle. Okay, a table can be increased or decreased in size using the table resize handle. Just place your cursor here and you can also change the size of the table. You can increase the width, you can increase the length. So with the help of table resize handle, you can increase and decrease the size of the table. That's it. Thank you.